Hey everyone, I'm Nathania. Welcome to day 11 of the 21-day cleaning routine challenge. We've officially made it halfway. I am so proud of you for sticking with this and getting your routines and habits set into place so you can have a home that you enjoy. Day 11 is decluttering. Like the Flylady says, you cannot clean clutter, and I would wholeheartedly agree. If I have a room that's all decluttered and cleaned up and I can come in and clean it super fast, I'm way more excited about doing that than having to work through a room that has piles of stuff everywhere that I don't know what to do with. I'm really looking forward to doing this one and adding it to my daily routine because I haven't been very good about it, honestly, in the past, and there are definitely spots in my house that need some serious decluttering. Now, I like to go through and get rid of stuff that I'm not using that I can either give to a thrift shop or garage sale or whatever, but then also I like to kind of organize that area as I'm going along. Now, we're only going to do this for 5, 10, or 15 minutes a day, however much time you have. This is not like days and days of pulling everything out of everywhere and decluttering it all at once. We're just gonna do small sections at a time and make this doable. So on your printable that you can get in the description box, I have a spot here for declutter. Now I have it set up for 15 minutes, but you can do whatever time you have available. And I went ahead and picked 4 sections in my house that I want to get decluttered the rest of this week. So my bathroom drawers, bathroom cabinet, dresser, and closet shelf. Now, just as an example, here in my closet, I need to declutter my whole closet, but I don't have time to declutter my whole closet in 15 minutes. I know that it's gonna take me longer than that. So I'm just picking that small section of closet shelf and doing that, and then next week I'll add in, going through my clothes or whatever section I wanna tackle next. This is really important to make sure you only take out what you can put back in. So my goal for today is to declutter my bathroom drawers. I may or may not get both of them done, so we will see, but I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes because that's all I have time for today and tackle that. So come join me. Start by pulling everything out of the space that you're working on and going through it. You can also clean as you go. I went ahead and grabbed my vacuum with the brush attachment on it so I could get all the hair out of here. As I started putting stuff back, I asked myself if I was using it or not. The mirror and the headbands I was not using, and then I also found this hair tie that was obviously shot. Did not need to keep that. I didn't find too many things, but a few, and it definitely freed up space in my drawer, which was nice. Now, one other rule that I do have is that I do not declutter my husband's stuff. I just straighten or organize what's there, and he can come along and do that when he has time. As you can see, just a few things, but look at the difference. All right, so I was able to only get my top drawer done, but that's okay. I got my top drawer done, which I've had those organizing containers for like 2 or 3 months, I think, that I bought from Aldi, and have been wanting to do that and just kept putting it off. I'm really looking forward to adding this to my daily routine to work through my house and get areas decluttered that are driving me absolutely crazy. It's entirely up to you if you want to add in cleaning that area, organizing it, or just going through and getting rid of the things that you no longer need. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you being here and watching my videos and taking the time to spend with me doing this challenge. If you know somebody who would appreciate this challenge and wants to join in with us, please share this video with them, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up so that it can spread to more people. Thanks again, and I will see you back here again tomorrow. Bye.